In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Christmas tips and tricks for doll photography. So first, I think one of the most important things is to have props and a set. You don't necessarily have to have a miniature room, but it can also add to the detail of the photo. I also think that props with the doll can be really beneficial. Also, the lighting can change the mood of the picture. In this one, I have some string lights on their ceiling so that it will add like a cozy white feeling. Also, I put some lights on their Christmas tree so that it can add a Christmassy feeling. Now I'm going to take some photos. It can be good to take a couple with closer in or farther out so that you can get the whole scenery. You can also look cool with the Christmas tree if you have the lights turned off. Sometimes the night vision camera can make it look good too. It can also look good if you have a little bit of editing, like I wanted to make her eyes look a different way. So first I used the selection tool in PixArt to move her pupil a little bit to whatever way you want her to look. And then I'm going to select the white part of her eye and put it over top and then just erase around it like this. This app is called PixArt. Also, I'm going to utilize the warp tool a little bit so that I can make her eyes look a little bit squinted. Here's the final result. I think it looks really cute. Another cute idea is to have your doll in front of the fireplace, especially with like a cup of coffee. It can just add to a cozy vibe. Also some cookies. I also give her some winter pajamas. Just try to add as many props that will make it realistic. Another good tool to use is the portrait mode because it can give a blurry background. Another idea is to have your doll baking in the kitchen. Here she has some little props like cookies and cupcakes. And I also gave her a Santa hat for the Christmas mood and some decorations in the kitchen. It's okay to take a lot of pictures so that you can see which one is the best result, and also you can try from different angles so that you can see which one you like the best. It can also be cool to have a couple of detail shots of like some props that you have in the picture. For Christmas themed photos, it can be really cool to have a bunch of detailed decorations in the background. I also try to put a Christmas tree in the room so that it can give it like a Christmas ambiance. Even little posters can add to the mood. Another idea is to take photos with more than one doll so that you can pose them in whatever way that would suit the picture. For this photo, I'm lighting it with string lights, and I also have a ring light outside the room. The portrait mode also has different options for lighting, like natural light or studio light. In this one, I'm going to edit her eyes closed. So first I take the selection tool and then take a patch of her skin and then just put it over top of her eye and then erase it, just leaving the bottom eyelashes. I'm also just going to move his eyes over a little bit. Then I'm going to use the warp tool just to make Nick smile a little bit. And here's the result. I think it looks pretty cute. Another cool idea is to take photos with the dolls and Christmas lights. So I take her outside with some Christmas lights, and she also has a candy cane prop here. Well, that's all the Christmas tips that I have for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Bye!
Hey guys, this box, when you open it, it gives you exactly what you deserve. Okay then, open it, Nick. Okay. Whoa, Minecraft figures. Give me that. Coal? Well, what if I like coal? You open it again, Nick. More Minecraft toys.